This is Ron Vargo with Peterbilt of Atlanta. I'm down here at our Jackson, Georgia location. Today I'm bringing you a slightly used truck. This is a 2024 Peterbilt 567 tri-axle heavy haul truck. It's got 20,000 pound steer axle with air disc brakes, 425 22.5 steer tires. Got your roof mounted beacon lights, chrome mirror covers, dual sided cab exhaust. The right hand tank is split for 70 gallons of fuel and 50 gallons of hydraulic. It's your 20,000 pound steerable lift axle with 315 22.5s, 46,000 pound rear axles on air track rear suspension, 11R 24.5 drive tires that are brand new. It has diff locks, 410 gears, 270-inch wheelbase, 72-inch fifth wheel slide. Over here on the driver's side, we got an 80-gallon fuel tank. Big chrome bumper with the toe pin in it. And let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood, we've got our Cummins X15, 565 horse, 2050 torque. And in behind that, we've got our 18-speed manual transmission. Take a look at the interior. Air ride cloth seats, remote keyless entry, extra gauges, PTO, diff lock, inner axle lock switches, light switches. It's a good clean truck, ready to go to work. If you can use it, give me a call, 706-372-4698. We have a good selection of quality used tri-axles in stock. So if this ain't the one for you, give me a call and maybe we have it.